Good rainy afternoon from Universal. We are here to check out some of the new Minion stuff that's going on. We saw online today that they are testing the new ride. It's actually not quite a ride, it's more of an experience, if you will. So we're gonna go see if we can get onto that or into that, and also check out the other Minion stuff that's there, because we have not been to the Minions Land yet. So super excited for that. Yeah, come along with us. Honestly, I am so impressed with myself that I brought an umbrella. I had it just in the car and I was like, I'm going to just take a peek and see if I have it still in there from the last time, because I'm one of those people that just leaves my stuff in the car and never cleans it out. So in this case, it really worked out for me. So I'm really hoping that we are able to actually get in to go see the Minion thing, because it's raining and I don't know if, because everyone's leaving, if they're going to just like shut it down and not be doing it today. So we will see if we can do it, and if not, we will come up with a plan B. Got hair in my mouth here. Okay, much better. So we are on our way over to the Universal Studios side of things to go check that out. And honestly, I think the rain's gonna let up really soon and it's gonna be a really nice day. As you can see, like, the sun is coming out. So even though it's still drizzling a little bit, we're in a good position to have a nice evening here at Universal. Yeah, it really does seem like everybody is leaving the park right now, which is great, because I think that the weather is about to get a lot better. As you can see, it's barely raining at all right now. And I'm hoping that we can get on some of the rides without too much of a wait. Check it out! Rainbow there, just right outside of Universal. You got people taking photos there. How cute. And there's Jay walking into Universal. Basically no wait at all to get into the park right now. I'm hoping that that doesn't mean that the Minion stuff is closed. So we're gonna cross our fingers that we're in a good spot.
What's happening?
Okay, we are in. We'll go check out to see if Minions is open. I sort of have a feeling that it's not, but let's take a peek. Okay, yeah, here we are, Minions Land. So of course you have your Despicable Me ride that we've had for years here. Our Minion Land sign. And as we already know, the walls are down for Despicable Me. You have your Despicable Me store there. And the walls are down for VillainCon. There we go, 60-minute wait. I think we should do it. Yeah. Okay, woo! So it's open, there we go. VillainCon. So exciting. So cool. So obviously this is all set up to look like VillainCon. So you have our VillainCon stuff there. And it looks like, we have some villains trivia too while you're in line, which is super cool.
So obviously this is a blaster style game. They hand you your blaster and then you step onto a dot that is on this moving walkway. And essentially once you're on the walkway, they do not want you to move from that dot. There is a tracking system. You can turn in front of you, behind you, and shoot all of the things that are on the screen. But before you even ride the ride, you obviously have to enter into VillainCon. So they had ads for hiring henchmen, because not everybody is a mastermind, ads for evil pets, and one of my personal favorites was the ad for your getaway car, which quote unquote is so that you can drive it like you stole it. Obviously it's more fun that way. And while there is no height requirement for this ride, I did notice that if you want to ride alone, that there is a height requirement for that.
So what they told us is that, well, you're not allowed to film inside of the ride right now because they are still in the technical, technical rehearsal, I think they're calling it. We are able to film in the queue, so I want you to be part of that.
There's so many cute nods to being a villain here, and you know, VillainCon is supposed to be sort of like Comic-Con, so you have your cosplay contest, you have your Adopt an Evil Pets Today signs. I liked this alligator guy, to be honest. I haven't seen the most recent Minion movies, so I'm not sure if he's a character in that, but he was really cute. I really liked him. And then the backstory for the ride is that you are auditioning at VillainCon to be the next member of the Vicious Six, and so that is what you're getting prepared to do now.
Steal on the Nile? Oh, pickpocket this one.
very cute. So I mean, obviously right now we're just walking through all of the quote-unquote booths at VillainCon before we get into our audition.
Okay, so we're about to head into the ride now, and I'm so excited, but we're gonna pick up with you right after we're done.
Start the minute. Switch is a challenge. Carefully stay extra care when hearing soft.
That was all right. Justin didn't think that the refresh rate was very good.
Like it was like so if everybody's shooting at the same thing, the screen starts lagging because there's so much happening.
Wasn't
and like
really ideal.
your target, it doesn't track. So like when you move the gun to the left, it'll take like a second for it to register that you're aiming over there.
So they do have a store. Obviously, it's exit through the gift shop. So I'll show you some of like my top picks from the store. So you have this VillainCon backpack, Loungefly. I can't even speak. Evil Minion stuff here. So this sort of reminds me, this is like, enter your villain name, make your custom villain souvenir. Personalize your villain badge. So it's basically like an ID card. Here. This is cool. This is good quality. And more bags. Little wallets. Yeah, looks like it's all Loungefly stuff. It's like a little tin sign for VillainCon. You have a backpack.
If we just no magnet that says I
These are
love
evil. Yeah, definitely lots and lots of merch. There's definitely lots of videos online that you can see that has more of this stuff. So I'm not gonna go super in depth. It doesn't look super unique to me anyways. You can, despite what they say in the pre-show, it does not look like the Illuminators are sold out. So you can purchase one here, which is sort of cool. Yeah. I do have to say that I think that the tagline, "It's so much fun, it's a crime," is super, super cute. But I don't know. I sort of found the ride a little bit mid. Have you ridden it? I want to know what you think. Am I just being a little bit... Am I being crazy? Like, was that ride just sort of mid?
Oh, it was fine. Like, it was just, it's not fully implemented yet. There's a whole scoring system. Like on the gun, it tells you what your score is, but then like you just walk away and then nothing happens.
Yeah, you're right. So here's the rest of Minions Land here. When you exit out, there's the Bake My Day shop. And I think that we're going to go check that out now. I don't like the roller coasters. So here's the Bake My Day shop. Super cute and pink, perfect for Barbie summer. So cute. They should have this at the popcorn stands that you can fill up your popcorn bucket with. That would be great. So cute. You have fluffy unicorn, more Loungeflies. Cute, just like a little keychain that you can put on your bag, 13 bucks. Lots of candy. Here. I'm gonna try and sneak in and see if I can get a quick shot of some of the treats that they have. Like you have some Minion cupcakes there. So we're gonna go take a quick peek to check out the Minion Cafe. You have freeze ray pops. I can even speak. Freeze ray pops here behind me, which is pretty cute. Then what else do we have? Oh, the Bank of Evil. Justin, what do you get at the Bank of Evil? What do you take out at the Bank of Evil? Do you take out evil or do you take out good? I don't know. Here's our Bank of Evil behind us. It's cute. Like the theming here is super cute. Candidly, not a huge Minions fan, but I do love a good theme. Okay, here is what we have at the Minions Cafe. we have the Mini Boss Mega Melt, Mr. Gru's PB and Jelly, Fredonia Festival of Mac and Cheese, and Shrunken Moon Balls with flying sauce. I have no idea what that is. Oh, and we have more. So we have salmon, noodle bowls, salsa and chips, crispy cauliflower, which looks like that is a vegan option. And then we have Kevin's Choppa salad, and Mrs. Honeymoon soup, and I missed that last one there, but looks like there's lots of options. A cheese ray sandwich, Drew's belly filling pork sandwich. So just overall, lots of options here. The art on the wall is super cool. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How to order on the mobile app, guys?
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. If you guys have any other...
So of course you have the obligatory bananas. So they have a banana peeling machine. Cool. So I think this is supposed to be basically like the kitchen for the Minions. Of course everything is yellow and Minion themed. Oh, this is cute. Karaoke contest. So cute. Some fishies in the water cooler. Cute. 33 ways to take a Minion break. Super cute. Oh, I like that banana sign. Just super cute, the Minion Cafe. Super cute. To be honest, there's not really anything on the menu that is striking me, so I think we're gonna go take a peek and see if we can get some banana popcorn. So we're gonna fill up our popcorn bucket at the Pop-A-Nana popcorn cart. Hey, hi there. Hi.
That smile!
Thank you.
Smile, that got you.
It was actually.
Oh, she could give the sun a run.
So we got our banana popcorn. You ready for it?
Yeah.
How's that? Is it banana-y?
Yes. Tastes like gobstoppers.
That's good.
Kind of weird.
I like that. So the park is closing really soon. We're gonna try and beat the crowds and get out of here. We got our banana popcorn for the road from the Pop-A-Nana popcorn stand. And now we're going to head out. It was really cool checking out the new ride. Honestly, I can't wait to see how they change it a little bit because like Justin mentioned, like they have this whole system of like getting points and then the ride ends and it's anticlimactic. Like nothing really happens.
But maybe it's all on your phone.
That's true. Yeah, they didn't really show us how we can like add it to our phone or
You
anything
tap
like
your
that.
phone on the thing, on the gun.
Oh, is that what you do? They
Yeah,
didn't
but-
tell us that.
It said on the sign.
Well,
But it was just like, nothing was really clear.
yeah, I don't know. Hey, so I'm just popping in really quick here because I actually did film an outro, but the banana popcorn got stuck to my tongue and I don't want to subject you guys to that. But essentially all I was saying was that I am really excited to see what they're going to be doing with the ride as it moves forward. Obviously, like some of the stuff that they're still trying to work out, some of the kinks in the leg in the video, that's exactly the reason why they didn't want people filming the ride to begin with. So I totally get that. And I really, I've seen some videos since of people that have gone and like they filmed in the ride and then said, hey, like this isn't, really that ideal, which to be honest with you, it wasn't, but it was still a really fun ride. And I'm sure that again, these are the reasons that they're in technical rehearsals and that they are going to work some of that stuff out. So I'm really excited to see what they do. And I'm really also going to make an effort to be filming more and posting more, just even for myself, because it's really fun to look back and just see, hey, like this is what I did at this time of year in Orlando. It's so fun living here. And if you want to live here too, I'm actually a realtor as well. I work with this amazing group called the Pozek Group. My team lead, Ken Pozek, has a ton of videos about Orlando and the Orlando area on YouTube. So if you have not already, please go check them out. You are just gonna be blown away by some of the content that is there.
And if you are looking to purchase or to move here, please give me a shout. I would be more than happy to have a conversation with you, even if, you know, your move is 3 months, 3 years, whatever it is away. I'm happy just to have that conversation with you so that you can get the wheels turning and answer any questions that you might have. But until then, have a really, really awesome day. And I hope to see you next time.